Imagine waking up every morning with everything you need just steps away. Parks, trails, even Grand River, shopping, plazas, Conestoga College, Highway 401 access, and multiple more amenities that you need in your day-to-day life. And then come home to this amazing, gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-washroom condo in a high-rise building in Kitchener, Ontario. You already can see where I am, so let me show you around why this one is special. By the way, if you're first time on my channel and you are someone looking to know everything there is about living in Kitchener, Ontario, please make sure to subscribe my channel below and tap the bell icon for notifications so each time we post a new video, you can be the first one to learn more about the current real estate market of Kitchener, Ontario. Now that being said, we get calls, text, emails from people just like you all the times, and we really love it. So if you're looking to make a move in 9 days or even 9 months, just give us a call, send us a text message, send us an email, or maybe schedule a Zoom call. We'll be more than happy to help you make that smooth move. My name is Akash Basi. I'm a local realtor here in Kitchener, Ontario, and I work with Remax Icon Realty Brokerage, and all my contact details are in the description down below as well. The entry of the building, you can see the secure code box here. So you enter the code and open the lock for you. So it's secure, no one can enter the building without your approval. And likewise, you can see this is the living area, or lobby I would say, not the living area. And those were the mailbox there. All right, you can see this, the elevators here. And this way, looks like we're in a hotel, right? All right. And now we'll just keep going, and different people, different apartment. This is the lounge. We'll go in there in just a second. And there we are. And I can't wait to take you folks inside this unit. And are you ready? Let's go. There you go. How do you like the first look of the condo? You like it, right? And that's what my impression was as well. So let me be back on the camera. Hi again. Now, this is how it looks the moment you step in the house, step in the condo. Freshly painted walls this year, instantly, you know, a white vibe in the house. And this house, you can see the door behind me as well. It's black, right? This entire house is black and white contrast. And likewise, they choose the wall hangings as well to contrast with white and black. Some people change it, some people want this. So you can pick and choose when you buy this yourself. Now you can see behind me, the lights were recently upgraded, as well as the kitchen. I'll show you in a minute. What's the hurry? Right. So this is the kitchen behind me. See, it's spacious, right? Spacious, nice. Newly appliances here. The refrigerator is new, fridge is new, I mean. Stove, as well as the range hood is new. As well as the counters, they changed in 2020. And microwave is gonna stay with the house. Oh, by the way, all these appliances, of course, you know, they're gonna stay with the house. And you can see the black and white contrast all over the kitchen as well, and that will run throughout the house. One important thing, the moment we enter the dining and the living area, you will see there's no carpet. There's no carpet entirely, no bedrooms, carpet, nothing. So I personally like it. What about you? You like carpet or hard floor? Drop in the comments, let me know. So one more view across the kitchen. You like it? My wife loves this kitchen. I showed her this condo yesterday, and she was mesmerized. She was very happy. Now, this is where your evening dinners and afternoon lunch is going to be happening. Dining area. As again, upgrade lightings and freshly painted walls. And my favorite area in the house is the huge large windows for outside view, especially in the winter time. When you just imagine this, on the Christmas Eve, there's a snowfall, you're sitting here with your family, there's a fireplace there. Let me turn it on for you. Hold on, stay with me. Going back. There you go, and there you go. All right, now there's a fireplace. Now you tell me, when's the last time you have seen a fireplace in a high-rise condo apartment? Right? Comment below, let me know. Very rare. I've seen that often, but not too many times. So they have this. And not only this, they have recently upgraded 2023 done port lights, at the same time the fireplace as well. This looks amazing. I personally love this area, like I said, and my story, go back there. Now imagine this, you're sitting here on the Christmas Eve, there's snowfall outside, there's a fireplace here, and you're having your hot coffee there. You sit there, have it, or maybe here on the sofa, or maybe here on the love seat, or maybe there just by yourself if you want silence for some time. So it's amazing. It's a huge living area, like I said, no carpet, hard floor, and your family gonna enjoy 100% here. And personally, when I show places to my buyers, I always tell them location is the key. And this condo, you won't believe, this is one of the best locations in Kitchener. It's located right like 5 minutes from Highway 401, 5 minutes from Condo College, Kitchener campus, Doon campus I would say, as well as Cambridge campus just across the highway other side. And you see this, mature trees there from the view. There's a road going through, and that road, Mill Road I would say, that goes straight to Condo College, 5 minutes, maybe 6. That's pretty much it. Now, not only that, there are parks, trails. Again, same thing. From this view, there's a Mill Road, goes to Condo College. Just behind that, there's the Grand River, and there are kilometers of trails behind there. So every evening, every weekend, maybe daytime, who cares? You can go have a walk in the trails, mesmerizing nature, different wildlife there. You hear the nature noise, and you'll be feeling good, right? I always go at least in the weekends, in the morning there, and I always come back with a mental reset. That's really cool. All right, you should try that. And if you try it and you like it, comment below and let me know how do you like it. There's a huge park on the other side of Homer Watson Boulevard. It's the intersection of Pioneer and Homer Watson. And it's a huge park, huge park. I'll show you some pictures on the video. You can see it, it's amazing. And right across the street, there's a huge plaza for the shopping, in having Zehrs, LCBO, Shoppers Drug Mart, Canada Post, as well as Pack Value and Indian restaurants there, pizzas there, hair salons there. There's a huge buffet of services you can do there in that plaza. Even Tim Hortons there, A&W, burger chains there as well, and many more different shops there. So location is the key part, and this condo has tons of amenities nearby. Like I said, parks, trails, even river, colleges, schools, highway access, shopping, plazas, everything is top notch here. If you want to know if Kitchener, Ontario is the right choice for you or not, and you want to know the pros and cons of living in Kitchener, Ontario, you can check this video of mine as well. The link's going to be in the description. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms and we'll talk more about that there. Now, since we are already here, here's the first washroom. It's a 4-piece. And if we go in here, that's me. Hello. And let me put you the camera here so you can see it better. So this is how it looks. Again, upgrade lighting as well as nice washroom, right? And this is upgraded as well in 2020. Let's go in the master bedroom first. This is how it looks. Lights on now, and it's huge, isn't it? It's huge, right? It's a king size bed, no problem. You can have one table here with a lamp, one on the other side, no problem. Small closet there if you want to keep it. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. A baby crib if you have a small baby, no problem at all. But the seller's going to take them with you, take this one with them. I don't know why I can't speak. Take this with them. But anyways, it's a huge space here. You can keep it empty. You can keep maybe a little sofa here for your guests to sit down and talk to you. But again, there's a small office area here as well. If you work from home, you can use this space 1000%, no problem. And see how windy it is, right? It's amazing, fresh air coming in. And yeah, that's the parking. That's the surface parking, and there's the underground parking as well. But when you buy this condo, the manager is going to give you the surface parking, open parking first, and then put you on the wait list for underground parking, for the garage parking, I would say. And once 6 months or 8 months, or typically 1 year time waiting period, and after that you get the parking in the basement, in the garage, I would say, underground, and life is set. No more snow removal from your car every morning. But that being said, This is amazing, right? And not only this, like I said again and again, no carpet in the bedrooms. The second bedroom have a peak here, no carpet here. And now time for the ensuite washroom right here. And that's me again in the camera, in the mirror, I would say. Check this out. All white and black contrast, like I mentioned before, and it's a two-piece. So yeah, it's amazing. And look at these lights, upgraded, like I said, multiple times. And this is upgrade wardrobe as well. It's full right now, but you can see it's not typical, you know, where there's a road and you hang things. This one is fully upgraded, having slabs, different slabs. You can put your stuff, you know, you can iron them, pack it, put it there, place it, no problem at all. So this is the master. Comment below if you have any questions about this master bedroom. And I personally like this, the space here especially, and no carpet thing. And yeah, let me know how do you like it. Now step into the second bedroom. This is huge as well. Just look at this, right? King size bed here, little wonky, but I would say queen size, no problem at all. And even after that, you have a table there. You can put a chest there, or maybe a table as well with the, what do you call, the lamps on both of them. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous, maybe like a hotel room. And likewise here, upgraded wardrobe as well. So everything is not like a typical classic with a road and you hang your hangers there. Nope, everything is upgraded as well. And recently, 2-3 years back, freshly painted, upgraded lighting again, no carpet again. I've told them 1,000 times, like, right? And then this room is best for if you have kiddos maybe, or like if you're a family, right? You have kiddos, they can stay here 1000%. If you are a young professional, then you might have a guest over, friends and family over to visit you over the weekend, over the holidays. They can stay here as well. You can use the room the way you want, right? Anyways, there's a window as well, and you can see outside lots of greenery, like it says, the rivers flowing nearby, as well as trails and bunch of, you know, mature trees. So it's overall, it's great. Now you're gonna ask me, where are the washer and dryers? All right, I'll take you there now. Again, we are passing through the living area, and I don't mind it. I really like it. And open this, ta-da, right here. And they are also about 2 or 3 years old, newly upgraded as well. I think 2023, if I'm not wrong. And that's when the pot, I told you that, right? The port lights as well as the fireplace were were upgraded and added to the unit as well. So the owners who live here, they personally, you know, put a lot of effort and money in renovations and upgrades because they really love this unit and they have kept it with love. So when you bought this one, you're gonna absolutely love, and you will feel the you know, kind of take care and maintenance in this unit the owners provide, and you won't be having any problems. Now I know you like the condo, you like this house, and you like to view this in person, right? So what you should do next, you need to contact me. All right, let's go in and check out the lounge, shall we? And we are already in here. So you can see it's huge, spacious, nice big table, lights here, a sofa here, different types of magazines. If you're into magazines, you can sit here, read here all day. You can sit here, relax, and there's a small little library. All of these closets filled with books. You can take any, sit here and read. There's a nice window here as well with the AC in here. It's super amazing. Lots of seats there too. And I forgot to tell about the amenities that the building offers. Condo fees for this specific unit is $571. It covers the basic things like landscaping, snow removal, and even water. That's the main thing. Water is expensive, so it covers that. Garbage removal as well, and parking is included as well. They have visitor parking as well, so tons of things. Now, this building also offers gym. I'll take you there in just a second. And then there's a bike room, there's a quiet room, as well as lobby I've showed you already. Mailbox room, there's a manager's office right next door to the mailbox. Have any questions or any complaints, go talk to her. Her name is Betty. All right. Now that being said, I'll take you around. We'll show you around as well. If you want to see the full vlog tour of Kitchener, Ontario, you can check this video of mine as well. The link's going to be in the description. Now I'm taking you towards the gym with a sauna. I apologize, I forgot to mention sauna earlier. The building offers sauna inside the gym as well, so you have both. And now that being said, this unit I just showed you has been priced at $435,000, and which is, I would say, between low 400s and mid 400s, which is a nice price, I would say, in Kitchener, Ontario today, since the market is booming and tech companies are here and everything around here. So this is the gym. How do you like it? Nice cozy room, lots of machines, lots of dumbbells, a ball as well, and treadmills. My wife loves treadmills, and whenever I see a treadmill, I see her running on one. So there you go. You like it, right? Cool. And then this is the sauna. Let me turn the camera right here. There you go. It's inside and it's dark here. You can't see much, but how it looks. And this is the overview without me in the frame of the gym. And of course, that's the window. All right, now I know that you like this house so much. You wanted to see it in person. So what to do next? You can contact me. My name is Akash Basi. I'm a local realtor here in Kitchener, Ontario. My phone number is 226-978-7708. And my email is akash@akashbasi.com. You can also find my information, all the contact details in description as well. So question for you. You like this condo? You like to see yourself living here as well? Contact me today. I'd love to show you around. This condo, any other condo, townhouse, detached, semi, I work all across, and I'll be more than happy to help you buy a house that fits your requirement and that fits your lifestyle as well. So again, if you're looking to make a move in 9 days or 9 months, contact me. My contact details are in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you make that smooth move. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. It really helps more people finding these home tours. And I will see you next every Monday, every Thursday in a new video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.